Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to calculate percentage in Excel. So this is the example and this is the total value. I want to find out the percentage out of this total value from this amount of all these days. And how we can do that, just press equal sign on your keyboard and then you need to click on the first amount, or you can say the first value. So this is the first value. I need to click here and now you need to press divide sign. Now we need to show the Excel from which value we are getting percentage. So this is the value from which we are going to find out our percentage. So how we can do that, just press dollar sign on your keyboard like this. Now see the column, so this is the B column, so I will just press B and this is the 10th row, you can say. So I will just press here again dollar sign and I will now type here 10. So this is how you can give the exact location of your total value from which you are getting the percentage. And once you done that, just hit the enter and as you can see we have now successfully get our percentage, but this is not showing in the percentage format, but we can easily get that. Just click on the value and now hit the percentage icon like this, and this is how you can easily get the percentage. To apply these things to all of your values, how you can do that, just go to below of this rectangle like this, and once you get the plus sign, just hold the left click and move it till the last column, and there you go, we finally got our percentage. So this is how you can calculate percentage in Excel. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.